Hey everyone, we're ready to start our poster with a cause. I'm calling this a mini project because it really doesn't take very long and it's already due on Wednesday. So step one is going to be choose a message, something that you believe in, something that you want to bring awareness to that you think other people might like to know about. Step two, sketch out your idea on a piece of paper. This can be a very quick sketch. All you need to know is what images or pictures are you going to use, and what kind of text will you use, what kind of words need to be on there. And yes, you do need at least one picture and at least some words or text. Step 3 then is to design that poster using sketch.io. I can click on this link and it'll bring me right to the website, or you can type it in up here. Great. Click on your language, let it load, and it might bring up an old project that you have. For me it didn't, so I'm just going to click on New, this little plus sign in the left corner, and then choose your size. For the poster size, we're going to use the 8.5 by 11 letter size. That's a good size for a poster. Great, now I can't see the whole thing on my screen, so I'm going to go over here to Zoom. I'm going to click Zoom to fit. Awesome. You could also zoom in if you needed to see something that was really small. I like Zoom to fit because I can see the whole poster on my screen. Great, and then another good place to start is this tool here called Vector Fill. This lets you fill in a background color. I'm going to choose this one as my background. And you can choose any that you think will fit for your design. Mine's kind of an outer space setting, so this one will work great. Alright, now it's time to add your images and your text. I'm going to go to the clip art and let's see, maybe I want some stars in space. Let's choose star and see what I come up with. Oh yeah, this guy right here. So it'll bring one up for you and you can move it around and do whatever you want. But I know I want multiple stars. Check out this. I can just click and drag and I'll have multiples ready to go. Then I can move them around and resize them as I need to. Nice. Then I don't have to click copy and paste every time. Alright, let's change that really big one because this star is not the star of my poster. Get it? I'm actually going to need an Earth right in the middle. So once I'm done with those stars, let's see. I'm going to go to the clip art and search for the Earth. Now, if you're in the clip art and you really don't like any of these options, there's another thing you can do. Open up a new tab and do a Google search for whatever you're looking for, whatever image. And then you might have to click on images. There we go. Now these are more like I was thinking in my head. But these images have a background. You see the black background? That's not going to work. That's going to cover up all those stars I had. So if you want a picture with no background, you want to say Earth or whatever it is, PNG. PNG is a type of file that has a transparent background, like this one. So I click it, then I right click, and I'm going to save this image. That'll save it to my computer. I'll call it Earth. That's the file name there. Just call it whatever you want so that you can find it. Great, and it downloaded to my computer. So I can go back to Sketchpad or Sketch.io and I can use this red button in the clip art tool that says load your own image. That means you can bring an image from your computer. There it is. There's the Earth that I just saved from Google Images. Sweet, there's my Earth. And I could change the size and move it around, but actually I like right where it is because it's got that little halo. Awesome. Maybe I want to add some eyes to this Earth. You know I love to make things into cartoons, so let's do the pencil tool with a white fill. I think it'll let me do a fill. Hey, there it is. And a black outline, and we'll do it about, that's good. Let's add some eyes to our Earth. Let's make him look kind of sad, because mine's about saving the Earth. Right. And if you add any little drawing to it, don't worry if it looks perfect or not. That looks pretty good. Let's turn off. Actually, no, let's make the fill black. We'll give them some really sad pupils. Oh man, that poor Earth. Too many people littering on it, right? Alright. There we go. Oh, poor Earth. Alright, I can turn off my fill and just do a line. Maybe it's got a little smile still. Alright, there we go. So, all I need now is my text, or my words. Here is the text tool again, it's a T. You can choose your font. Whichever one you think fits the feeling and the message is fine. It's totally up to you. I'll choose that one. And you can choose the color. Maybe I'll do kind of a light greenish color so it'll show up. And let's say, oh, I don't know, I've seen this one around. There is no planet B. You can definitely use sayings that you've seen before in other places. That's okay. It's not stealing this, that's just inspiration, right? Now, I don't really like how the B is way down here. How can I drag that? Oh, there we go. I think that looks good. I can move it. Nice. Alright, so there's my final poster. Once you have it done where you have your image, you have your text, and you're happy with the message that it is sending, you think your message is clear, you're going to save. Lower left, right here it says export. And we're going to download a JPEG to the computer, right here. The JPEG file is the best one for turning it in. It already downloaded. I can go to the turn-in in Schoology. It looks like this. And I'm going to turn it in by uploading to computer. Open. Again, I just went to the mountains. Upload from computer. There it was. Click it. Click open. Alright, now I have two, so I'm going to delete one. Have fun with this. I bet you can design a poster that's even better than mine. And yeah, have a great day.